Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Stellar. On a daily time frame chart, after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the price line is still not able to break out this next long-term resistance, a downtrend and resistance. And recently, you can see that once again the price line is rejected by this long-term downtrend and resistance. By the way, this resistance was found here on 29th of March 2024. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that we are watching right now. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, the price line was still moving inside this channel. And here we had a long spike where the price line could not break out the channel, and still it is moving. And now at this time, it is getting accumulated at the support of this up channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 16th of July 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal crab move that Stellar formed with Bitcoin pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Stellar. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, Stellar was moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 21st of Feb, when we had a bounce here, rejection here, then we had another bounce here. So many rejections here, then we had another bounce here, and finally the price line, after getting squeezed inside this wedge, broke out the resistance but could not break out this next long-term downtrend and resistance. You can see that we got rejection here, rejection here, and recently the price line is once again getting rejected by this resistance. And now it is possible that soon it may also break down this short-term support of 9.29 cents. In fact, this is a complete support and resistance on from 9.29 cents to 10 cents. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this support and resistance zone has been previously working as a support zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here, and resistance zone here, and resistance zone here for several weeks, a month. And here for several months, it has been working as a support zone. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance zone for the price line. On the weekly time frame chart and on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have broken out the lower bands of this support zone. Now we need to break out the upper resistance or upper bands of this resistance zone that is here at 10 cents. And before that, we will need to break out this downtrend and resistance as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 16.2 cents. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance that was previously working as a resistance here, and before that had been working as a support here as well. And on the 7-day time frame chart, now we are switched to the 7-day time frame chart. By the way, you can see that the price, and after breaking out this wedge, is still moving inside this up channel and slightly higher than this resistance of 16.2 cents. We will have the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 17.7 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this up channel, the technical target for the breakout will be here. That will be approximately at 36 or 36.5 cents. And the final target for the breakout from the big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is, by the way, still due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.